Hi everybody. Today I am doing a mini haul. It's Happy Mail, and then I am going to do a plan with me. Unfortunately, I wanted to get my Valentine's Day plan with me up sooner than later, and because of that and because of my delay in ordering, the Valentine's Day stickers that I received just came in today, and I'm going to go ahead and do them for the week of February 15th. Nevertheless, they're still so cute and beautiful, and I'm going to go ahead and show you what I've got. So starting out, let me start with this one. Starting out, I ordered some scripts from SammyDoodleDesigns, and as always, she puts your stickers in these cute little plastic folders, which is so nice because now I can put all of my scripts in this. And so anyway, here are the scripts. She always does such a great job. Let me see what we've got. So we've got her little business card. She's in her Etsy shop. So it's SammyDoodleDesigns on Etsy, as well as on Instagram and Facebook. And I'm sorry, I need my glasses to read the other one. I guess that's just for Etsy. Such a cute little card. And then she has these freebies. Z's. Those are cute. And then the recycling bins. These cute little Paddington workout. Those are cute. And these doodles watching TV. Very cute. And then we have some icons. Those are adorable. Thank you. All right, so what I ordered is film, edit, upload stickers. I ordered 2 of those. Oh, actually, I ordered 3. I forgot what I had ordered. I totally forgot that I even placed this order. Sorry, Sammy. And when I got it, I was so excited. Those are cute, aren't they? Then we have some for next week. And these I'll probably use in my daily duo, my Target run. More payday stickers. And these are the Jen Plans. Well, that one is Jen Plans, the font or the script. And then this says run errands. So cute. And I love the paper, the feel of the paper or the stickers. Here's one that says meetings. And then work from home. So those are what I got from SammyDoodleDesigns. And there's a discount code. It says welcome. It's a 10% discount code. Go ahead and put those away. Okay, let's put those away. And the next one was from MamaGloria's shop. And this is what, it was my fault. I had, look at how cute her sticker is. I had placed the order too late, and I'm not sure where it's coming from, but let me go ahead and show you the scripts that I ordered from MamaGloria shop. And she's on Etsy also. So I have work at office. Those are really cute. Change sheets. Those are cute. Here's wash car. My poor cars need to be washed so bad. And then I ordered some pastel boxes. I figured for spring these would be good. So this is a light green, a little bit darker green, blue periwinkle, and a light purple like a lilac. And then these are pink, kind of like a dusty rose, a tangerine, like a, I don't want to say mustardy yellow, but more of an orangey yellow, and then a yellow. And then clean fridge. So those are really, really cute. And again, that's MamaGloria. All right. And then the Valentine's Day ones, I didn't buy the full kit. I just, because I don't use those checklists and stuff like that. So I just purchased them a la carte. And this one is, the ID is 0968, and it's probably, I don't know if it's too late to order, but this is the icons, and look at how precious those are. Aren't those cute? The hearts almost look like donuts. They're so cute. So that's those. This is from the kit 009, and the ID is 0954. And these are the boxes, the decorative boxes. Aren't those cute too? So I will be putting this on Valentine's Day, but for the rest of them, I'll probably do on the 15th through the 21st. And then same kit, excuse me. This is ID 0951. And this is quarter boxes, half boxes, to-dos, and full boxes. And when I say checklist, I mean, you know, when you get the list, it's just the strip of checks. So that's really cute. And then the final one is ID number 0950. It's scripts, it's flags, it's habit trackers, it's the days of the week, little icons, and a weekend banner, and then a list. And those are cute too. So those are what I purchased, and I will be using these. Actually, I shouldn't put them away. I will be using these in an upcoming video. So stay tuned. Bye-bye.